James Goodman.
And I'm Katie Taylor with the Goodman Taylor team at Keller Williams Sonoran Living. We are out here today to raise awareness for Hope for the Homeless. We are presenting a car show, so we had over 400 registrants. This just is our fourth event. It's grown every year, and we're just so grateful for the people that make it what it is, and again, for bringing donations for Hope for the Homeless. We love being able to support charities in our community.
Email events at thegoodmantaylorteam.com to stay up to date with all of our future events.
Thank you so much for coming, and we hope to see you again next year.